Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH, my trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold, USD, and silver. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market and analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And yesterday, we got a good amount of profit booking on gold, not silver. So as we all know, 3900 and 3800 is the range of the market. Yesterday market tried to cross the range, it failed, and a heavy profit booking came on the chart of gold. You can see gold started falling straight. It made a low of 3820, and from 3820 market tried to recover. So it was a fall of almost 70 pips. Sorry, 700 pips. And 700 pips or $70 drop at a single shot is not a joke. Okay. Anyways, the range of gold is still the same, 3800 and 3900. My dear friends, today is the first Friday of this month, means first Friday of October. As we all know, first Friday of any month is famous for NFP. But today, okay, most probably we are not going to see any craziness in the market because the NFP data is not going to be released. Okay, maybe it has been delayed. I'm not 100% sure. You can do your due diligence, but as far I know, okay, the data is not going to be released. Okay, it has been delayed because of the US government shutdown. Okay, so please, okay, you get your own confirmation. But I tried to do the due diligence and I found that, okay, we are not going to witness any NFP today. It has been delayed. Okay, so be careful with the market closing. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold on track for 7 weekly gain. Gold turns back from record high. Okay, gold eases from record high. And what is the reason? Gold prices eased to 3840 per ounce on Thursday from the record high of 3895 in the previous session as investors book profit and assess how far the rally for bullion asset can go for a backdrop of safety demand and lower rate expectations. In simple words, okay, it was a profit booking. Okay, so this move on gold was profit booking yesterday. When the recovery on gold came, it made a high of 386263. Means the previous support became the resistance here. So this level 386263 is going to cause some trouble, and we can expect 3900 to act as the weekly resistance. Obviously the weekly closing is going to be important, and chances of market going above 3900 is less. I'm not sure about the NFP. Okay, as I said, but there's a high chance that, okay, we won't see any NFP data today, but market will be volatile during the closing hours, and chances are very less that market will be above 3900. But during the day, okay, if we see gold going up, okay, we can look for a buy above 3863, the dotted line here. Why? Because there will be a minor breakout. Okay, if possible, buy at breakout only if consolidation comes. Means during the European session, if you see market is trading around this area for 1 to 2 hours and then market is going up, you can go for buy at breakout. But if you see that gold is going up without any proper consolidation, it's better to avoid. Then you can buy at pullback. Means when 3863, this level will become the new support, the current resistance will become the new support, then you can enter at pullback. And if a breakout comes after consolidation of 1 to 2 hours, then you can buy at breakout. Because if you buy at breakout without consolidation, there is a possibility of a false breakout as well. Okay, and if market drops, then we can look for a buy around 382520. My dear friends, this is the level where market took support yesterday. So today also we can expect that market will get some support around this area. If market takes support, market shows price rejection from below, we can look for a buy. Okay, and remember this particular zone here, yes, 379592. Yes, this is also a support zone on the chart of gold. So during the day, okay, if market drops, these are the two levels where we can look for a buy as a day trader. And be careful during the US session, especially at the time of market closing. Okay, market opening and market closing are always dangerous. And as you can see that we do not have any immediate levels because of the yesterday's volatility. Okay, I do not see any strong immediate level right now. Okay, these are the only trading opportunities from my point of view. Okay, if I have missed anything, you can write down in the comment section as well. Obviously, many trading opportunities will also arise during the day. For example, okay, right now market is trying to go up. If market breaks 3873, okay, then we can look for a 30 to 40 pips there as well. But right now, while recording the video in the Asian session, okay, these are the reliable trading opportunities that I see. Again, I'm repeating, okay, if market takes support, then only go for a buy. For example, if we see similar selling pressure today, okay, then obviously you need to avoid buying, because we should not forget that overall the trend of the market is bullish, there is no doubt, but market is standing at the record high. A big retracement or correction is still due. And my difference, if you're looking for a reliable trading platform, then Vantage is one of the best solution in front of you, because Vantage is a global brand. It doesn't require any introduction. With more than 5 million clients all over the world, you can trade on 1,000 plus instruments. They also provide one of the tightest spread in the industry. And if you deposit $1,000, it doesn't matter from which location you belong, you will also get a swap free account. So if you're a swing trader, then swap free account is the first priority for you. And in Vantage, you can get a swap free account without any hidden charges if you deposit $1,000 or more. Vantage provides 24/7 customer support so that you do not feel alone in case of any issues. And for withdrawal and deposit, okay, you will find almost all the popular methods. It doesn't matter from which location, okay, you are opening account, you will find the best and the fastest deposit and withdrawal methods in Vantage. In Vantage, you will find multiple trading platforms. You'll find MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. You can also find their own mobile application to trade, which is very nice and easy. And you can also trade on Vantage with TradingView, which is very rare. Vantage also cares about a lot for you and your education. So they also have the Vantage Academy, where you can find courses, articles, and many more things. Okay, feel free to check out. Okay, all the things are in their website. And if you open your Vantage forex trading account under my referral, you will also get access to our premium WhatsApp community, where you'll find regular market updates, analysis sessions, and many more. So feel free to open your trading account in Vantage. The link will be in the description and the referral code. And my friends, this is the 15-minute chart of silver in front of us. And just like gold, we witnessed heavy selling pressure here as well. A good amount of profit booking was seen on silver yesterday. Market came to our support. Luckily, we got a perfect bounce from 46 area. Okay, and hope you guys made money also. Okay, I was trading on gold, so I avoided silver. Okay, and now we can see the market is facing resistance around the previous support. You can see that the chart of silver and gold, or the moves of silver and gold, are very much similar. Profit booking came to support, market bounce and facing resistance from the previous support. So here also, okay, we will be following a similar trading strategy. Okay, so on the chart of silver, the next best support, okay, is around 45.2275. This is the next best support on the chart of silver. The reason is the previous resistance will be working as support. Okay, and as you can clearly see, the market is not very volatile right now. So during the day, if market drops also around 46 area, around 46.00, we can expect the market to take support again. At least you can go with a small lot size, because okay, 46 was a strong support area. It's also a round number, so we can expect the market to take support. I'm not talking about a complete trend reversal, but at least as a day trader, you can score some good pips. So 46 is the first support during the day, where you can look for a good bounce, and the second support is around 44.2275. okay, these are the two support levels where we can look for a buy if market comes down. If you are a heavy risky trader, okay, you can also look for a sell below this. Personally, I'm not going to take, I won't lie. Okay, I will be looking for buy. Okay, small buy only because I prefer to trade on gold move. If you want to, if you're a heavy scalper also, then you can also look for a sell below this. High risk. If you're a beginner, avoid, because I am also not doing it. And on the other hand, if market goes up, we will be following a similar trading strategy, my dear friends. Okay, if market consolidates around here, then we can look for buy and breakout. Means when it will be closing the 47.0080, okay, we will be looking for a buy above this area. Okay, and as you can see that I have drawn an arrow here, means buying at pullback is safer. For example, okay, if we zoom in, you can clearly see the size of the candles are very small. It means the volume is not very high. So if you see silver going above, okay, or going up with similar size candles, then obviously it is high risk, means volume is low. In that case, what you can do is, okay, you can wait for the market to come down, because obviously it will be coming down, and the previous resistance will become the new support. Means 47.0080 will become the new support. Then you can enter. So it's up to you whether you can buy at breakout or you can buy at pullback. And obviously buying at pullback is safer, okay, in comparison to breakout. And right now volume is also very low. During the European session, if volume comes, that's a different story. But in the Asian session, there is not much volume. So buying at pullback will be safer when the new resistance, when the resistance will become a new support. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on gold and silver that I see for Friday. Be careful during the US session, especially on the later part of the US session. If profit booking comes, okay, then okay, follow risk management. Do not gamble. Okay, that's all. Bye bye. Take care.